Part 5. Alhamdulillah. Context. Mr. Custer, the prosecuting attorney. No, sir, it's 20. 20 to 50. 20 to 50? Mr. Custer, the advisory is 30. Question by the court. Thank you. See, that's there. And in fact, these offenses each justify more than certainly, more than the minimum, more than the advisory for any one of the sentences. And I'm going to try to approach this from each individual count. And each of these counts deserves an aggravated sentence. And I'm therefore going to order you committed to the Indiana Department of Correction on counts 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the charge of attempted murder to a term of 40 years on each count. I'm going to further note that there are separate victims in each of these counts. Count 1 being Jermaine Royal. Mr. Raff, my public defender. Sir. Question. Right. Count 2 being LaShonda Conwell. Mr. Custer, the prosecuting attorney. Yes, sir. Count 3, Dominique Loyal. Mr. Custer. Yes, sir. And count 4, Latasha Loyal. Mr. Custer. Yes, sir. Question by the court. With 4 separate victims, there needs to be 4 separate sentences in order to acknowledge each individual separate offense. So I'll order counts 1 through 4 to be served consecutively with one another. The handgun charge will enter judgment of conviction as a Class A misdemeanor. Order you committed to the Department of Correction for a period of a year and order it concurrent with other sentences. Count 6, battery is a C felony, and order you committed to the Department of Correction for a period of 6 years. Attempt to continue and maintain a consistent analysis of these charges. The minimum being 2 years, the maximum being 8 years, and find that 6 years is an appropriate sentence. Count 7, criminal recklessness, and that was Jeremy, Mr. Custer, the prosecuting attorney. Yaden. Question. Yaden was the victim of that battery represented by count 6. Count 7, criminal recklessness as a D felony, enter judgment of conviction, and the victim in that case was, in that charge, was Diana Lance. Diana or Diana Lance? Diane or Diana Lance? Mr. Custer. Egg Ziegler was the victim in number 7, Your Honor. Question. Okay. Then I have them reversed. Diana Lance is 8. Mr. Custer. Yes, sir. Okay. And again, in keeping with that similar analysis, order you committed to the Indiana Department of Correction for a period of 2 years each on counts 7 and 8, there being separate victims in each of those counts. Order those counts to run consecutively with one another. Count 9, criminal gang activity, a Class D felony. Order you committed to the Department of Correction for a period of 2 years and order those to run, that charge to run concurrent with the others. We'll be right back. This is part 5. We'll be right back with part 6, inshallah.